Hello again, fellow beauty enthusiasts. It's me, Heather from the Eye of the Beholder, and today I'm bringing you my luxurious new purchase from RUNATURE, Human Remy hair extensions. Today I got the Dirty Blonde, Platinum Blonde. There's a bit of netting on here in a moment. Okay, we got this hair nice and protected to keep that wave shape intact for you. So here is the body wave. Joining me for this unboxing of my favorite human hair from Amazon Prime. Again, don't be jealous. You can get your own. It's quite affordable. And please do like and subscribe. I'm a brand new channel. I'll bring you lots of tutorials, lots of reviews, beauty hacks, and I'm very excited for a lot of good ideas I have coming up, and I hope that you'll be there to check them out.